In front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and let me show you all the modes and settings that you can access in your camera. So at first you need to open the camera app, and let's just agree with privacy statement. And now let's check all the modes. So obviously at first you've got the standard photo mode, and here you can just zoom it in and out the content, just like this. You can add some filters if you want to, just tap on filter, and here you can change the colors and contrast. Then you can pick light effect, and here you've got it. So let me go back. Obviously you can use video mode right here. You can add beauty filter, buffen, skin tone or whitening. Let's go back then. And also you can add some filter on the recording video as well, so it's the same as with taking picture. Then you've got the portrait option. So if you'd like to grab a perfect macro portrait, it's the mode. Here you can also zoom in and out the particular face. And also you've got night mode here, so if you would like to grab some perfect night pictures, smoothly click on night, and here it is. You can choose style here, and as you can see, you can pick one from the following options. Then you can customize it also on the scale. So let's go back. Now if you will tap on more icon, you will be able to access settings. So just open settings, and here you will be able to turn on and off sounds, turn on or off location. If you'd like to activate mirrored selfie, just activate this switcher or switch it off if you'd like to turn it off. Also you can activate video stabilization, so grab it here, and from now on it will be easier for you to grab straight content. You can add some watermark if you want to. It can be time, model or your own, and you just need to add the content. So for example, let me add hard reset. Okay, it's reset. And from now on, you'll be able to grab a picture with this watermark on it. As you can see here, you've got the watermark. And let me go back. Then you can also find a timer here. Just click on timeout, and now you can grab a picture with some delay, so it can be 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. And also you can activate framing lines, so if you would like to turn them on, smoothly pick this option, and then you can switch it off the same way. And that will be all. These are all settings and options that you can apply in your camera. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.